Now in this section we're going to see how to use nested functions. Now in this case we've got sales for the North region and the South region, and we've got 4 salespeople here. So for the North region, that's the sale for this salesperson, that's the number of sales for this one, and so on and so forth, and the same for the South region. And if I click down here, you can see up here there's a formula that just averages the sales across the different salesmen for the North region, and over here it's the same thing for the South region. Then down here we just have the sum function, which basically sums up these numbers here, and over here it sums up these numbers here. Now the average sales target is 25. So in here what I want to do is I want to display the total number of sales assuming the average of 25 has been achieved. So what I can do is I can enter a formula, a nested formula. So this formula here is using the if function. So it's saying if the average of B3 to B6 is greater than 25, which is the sales target average, then if that's true, sum up these values here, otherwise display 0. So I press return and we look at those figures, and I click here. You can see that's the function, and in this case 110 is displayed because the average of the salespeople in the North region is 28, which is above 25, so it meets those criteria. So in this particular case the total number of sales is displayed. If I just drag this over here and then click here, you can see what's happening now is we're looking at the average of these, and we're saying if the average of these sales here is above 25, sum them up, otherwise display 0, which is why 0 is displayed. So that's an example of how you'd use a nested function.